Hey guys, welcome to Indian FIA. In this video, we are going to make the mixed vegetable rice, which is going to be an absolute amazing recipe. But before starting this video, I am going to give a disclaimer here. We will be using this sauce in this recipe, which is Szechuan cooking sauce, and this sauce is easily available at least in the real Canadian superstore here in Canada. So you might be able to find this sauce in your nearby grocery stores. But if you are not able to find this sauce, I have a substitute in the end of this video. So watch till the end and let's get into this recipe. We will begin with the rice. I am taking 1 bowl full of rice here. We will wash this rice at least 3 to 4 times or until this water from rice comes out to be clean. Let's throw this water and clean our rice few more times. I will be using a pressure cooker to cook our rice, and I will be using 1.8 times of water compared to our rice. I will also add 1 teaspoon of white salt to this. And let's cook our rice now. You can make this rice using any other method, or you can also use instant pot instead of this pressure cooker. I will wait for 3 whistles. Let's remove our rice from the heat and let it cool down naturally. These came out to be nice and fluffy, and now we will keep our lid open so that these can cool down and we can use this for the mixed vegetable. Till then, let's prepare the veggies. I will use 1 onion, some baby carrots, few cloves of garlic, 2 different colors of pepper, and I have roughly chopped these 3 ingredients. You can also chop your garlic here, but I will be using a grater. I am also using 1 cup of green peas. I was also having some leftover boiled potatoes, so I will be adding those to this recipe, but these boiled potatoes are optional and you can easily skip these. I am also adding paneer to this recipe. This paneer is a good source of protein, so if you are making the vegetarian rice, you can add this paneer. But you can also replace this paneer with chicken or any other protein source. We will cut these potatoes into smaller pieces, and I am also doing the same for my paneer. Let's start the cooking process now. For this recipe, try to use a wok or any other large size pan here. First goes few tablespoons of vegetable oil. Once your oil is hot, let's add the garlic. Next, I will add the onions and carrots here. After around 2 minutes, you can add the green peas. Since we are doing all of this cooking in an open pan, so try to add your peas at an early stage. Keep mixing your vegetables so that they do not stick to the bottom of your pan. We just have to cook these vegetables well. After around 5 to 7 minutes of cooking, you can see my onions are becoming translucent. So let's add the remaining ingredients. It's time to add some spices. First goes 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Next goes half a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Next goes half a teaspoon of cumin powder and 2 teaspoons of table salt. I am also adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. Next, I will add few tablespoons of soya sauce. Next goes half a tablespoon of white vinegar. You can also replace this white vinegar with the lemon. Next goes 3 tablespoons of Szechuan sauce. Now you have to mix all of this well, and let's introduce the rice now. You just have to mix this rice really well with all your veggies and sauces. Just be sure your every grain of rice is well coated with the amazing sauces which we have added here. After 5 minutes of mixing, my recipe is ready here. You can garnish this recipe with fresh cilantro. As you can see guys, this recipe was really easy, but here are some of the key notes from this recipe. Firstly, always cook your rice in advance so that they can cool down when you use them with your veggies. If you are using hot rice, they may break while mixing, so be careful with that. Second, if you can't find have the Szechuan sauce, you can replace it with sriracha sauce, which might taste a bit different, but it would be very similar. And the best part about sriracha sauce is it's easily available at least in North America, so it could be a good substitute. Third, if you want to use the potatoes but you don't have the boiled potatoes, you can even use the fresh ones. But in order to use the fresh ones, you have to use your potatoes even before the onions, because these potatoes may take a while to cook properly. Fourth, if you are using the sriracha sauce, just skip the red chili powder, otherwise your recipe may become too much spicy. Fifth, if you don't have vinegar, you can also replace it with fresh lemon. And the last point is, you can enjoy this mixed vegetable rice with yogurt. Their combination tastes even better, and this may become your new go-to recipe. Now, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and you can check out some other videos. See you guys in the next video. Goodbye.